Welcome to MoStudio. MoStudio puts the visual language of broadcast into the hands of business, empowering non-technical people such as myself to create shows like this. And we do it through two transformational innovations. Firstly, the ability to create shows with the ease of PowerPoint. Secondly, the automated studio is being controlled by a single user with a tablet. Here you can see the actual edge of the LED wall, and when we go out, you can see our XR set extensions provide larger sets from smaller studio spaces, giving you scale and impact. Increasing engagement across all virtual events and presentations, AGMs, town halls, product launches, all with branded virtual environments and consistent brand identity with broadcast quality. But MoStudio is about more than production values. It's about two-way communication, more immersive interactions in real time, beam in via green screen in another studio, or calls in virtual monitors, bringing those remote speakers into the conversation in real time. Ben, how are you doing, sir?
Hello, Chris. Mate, great to see you at ISE. Yeah, fantastic job with MoStudio. I'm walking around to see you now so I can see it in the flesh.
Thanks so much, sir. But with MoStudio, I can be inside the presentation, but still able to use all my existing skills and assets like PowerPoint, working exactly the way that I'm used to. But MoStudio delivers more. The production values of a modern automated newsroom, advanced engagement tools, that visual language of broadcast, but additionally, AR graphics to bring the data to life. Now, when we combine MoStudio with our motion capture solution, MoCapture, this is where things get really interesting. You can create AR trigger points in the virtual set that we can interact with. Here you can see I'm being tracked in real time, even down to my fingers. We actually have 11 cameras tracking all of my motion at real time. Now, to give a small demonstration of how the gesture-driven environment works, I'm going to, with a wave of my hand, cue the next presentation segment, which will be a full screen video. Here we go. And here is just a further illustration. You've got our colleague Florian, who's interacting with the virtual set. When he stands on a trigger point, it enables the action. And if you see here, when he touches the table, for instance, it pauses the action. When he lifts his hand, the action will resume. And of course, this can be with any data you wish to illustrate. So the idea is that presenters can interact with these graphics for deeper insights. But this is not just for leadership, comms and marketing. There are benefits across the entire organization: R&D, operations, facilities, HR. Many use cases. We've identified AGMs, product launches, podcasts, anything and everything. All of these use cases. And of course, with MoStudio, virtual sets mean you can present from anywhere. More immersive insights, instant return on investment as productions are now brought in-house, no third-party production costs, and environment scanning workflows reduce the need for 3D set design. And of course, this all supports sustainability goals. MoStudio can be part of an evident carbon footprint reduction, less travel for presenters, no need to waste resources building sets. If I could just turn your attention to some of our setup here, you can see that MoStudio is built from an entire ecosystem of Mo-Sys hardware and software, ensuring that seamless compatibility, the benefits of advanced broadcast technology. We have a multi-camera setup, cameras mounted on remote heads, Frame Pilot for automated talent tracking, aesthetically motivated framing, and MoRail for parallax motion to reveal and create an entire 3D environment. Again, all operated by a single user with a tablet. And our operator is cutting between cameras, nudging the framing of the cameras, and he is empowered to focus on finesse, cutting like broadcast. But the real game changer here is the creation aspect of MoStudio. The creation aspect is cloud-based, enabling global collaboration. Any member of your organization can use this to create a show. Intuitive, familiar, as easy as PowerPoint. Let me show you. So here we have the user interface for MoStudio. All of the scenes are comprised of what we call blocks. I'm going to go ahead and add a block here. And we do this ourselves. We use this tool internally in the company every week. I'm going to add a background. Let's add new studio. I'm going to add some graphics, in this case, the lower third. Then I go ahead, you launch the show, you download the bundle into your studio, you launch, and then you get what we see here today. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Thank you to Samsung for allowing us to use this fantastic LED wall. Mo-Sys have changed the game.